so let's close our color quickly. Just a quick video. So at the end, so you finish with a half double crochet row, you will chain one and then turn and place your two sides together like this, and then you go around your yarn. So you're not going this way. You go around, just put it back, go through both loop on this side, and then you go the front loop on this side. So just make sure you're using the right one, so not that front loop, the back loop, depending on how you look at it, but this one, so it would be technically the back loop. So let me just place myself back, then you will yarn over or under, whatever is easier for you, it will work. So you just pull through everything. That first one's going to be a bit tricky. Here you go. And then your yarn will sit in the middle like this. It will be easier the rest of it. So you just go for the next one here and here, and yarn over and go through all of them. Then you go up again, both loop, back loop, and go here, and just continue. Until you get to the end, and at the end we'll do both loop on, we'll do both loop on each sides, just to make it cleaner, and then you'll try chain one, and you'll continue with your color pattern.